Hi everyone. Today we are going to show you how to use a custom window chart setting on a document. In order to set window chart defaults, you have to click on Printer Setup and then on Window Chart. These settings will be used on every document that displays the window chart, unless you create a custom configuration. To do that, you have to open Document Archive and choose the document you wish to customize. Then, you have to enable window chart data and click on the button below in order to choose your new settings. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.